Special operations are military activities conducted by specially designated, organized, selected, trained, and equipped forces using unconventional techniques and modes of employment, according to NATO. Special operations may include reconnaissance, unconventional warfare, and counter-terrorism actions, and are typically conducted by small groups of highly trained personnel, emphasizing sufficiency, stealth, speed, and tactical coordination, commonly known as special forces. The decade 2003 to 2012 saw U.S. national security strategy rely on special operations to an unprecedented degree. Identifying, hunting, and killing terrorists became a central task in the global war on terrorism. Linda Robinson, Adjunct Senior Fellow for U.S. National Security and Foreign Policy at the Council on Foreign Relations, argued that the organizational structure became flatter and cooperation with the intelligence community was stronger, allowing special operations to move at the speed of war. Special operations appropriations are costly. Its budget went from $2.3 billion in 2001 to $10.5 billion in 2012. Some experts argued the investment was worthwhile, pointing to the raid in May 2011 that killed Osama bin Laden in Abbottabad, Pakistan. Others claimed that special operations emphasis precipitated a misconception that it was a substitute for prolonged conflict. Raids and drone strikes are rarely decisive tactics and often incur significant political and diplomatic costs for the United States. Although raids and drone strikes are necessary to disrupt dire and imminent threats, special operations leaders readily admit that they should not be the central pillar of U.S. military strategy. Instead, special operations commanders stated that grand strategy should include the indirect approach, which meant working with non-U.S. partners to accomplish security objectives. Special operations forces forge relationships that can last for decades with a diverse collection of groups, training, advising, and operating alongside other countries' militaries, police forces, tribes, militias or other information groups.